Do you want to become a millionaire before you turn 30? If yes, then this video is definitely for you. Welcome to the world of endless possibilities, where the dream of becoming a millionaire is not as far-fetched as you might think. It's a world where your financial goals are within your grasp, where you are the architect of your own wealth. It's a world where becoming a millionaire is not an impossible dream, but a tangible reality. And that's exactly what we're going to discuss in this video. You see, the journey to $1 million isn't about luck or chance. It's not about hitting the jackpot or waiting for a hefty inheritance. No, it's about discipline, determination, and a set of principles that guide your financial decisions. It's about understanding that every penny counts and every choice matters. It's about releasing that your wealth is a reflection of your habits, and to change your wealth, you must first change your habits. But you might wonder, what are these principles? What are these habits that lead to financial freedom? Well, these are the principles that have been practiced by millionaires and billionaires across the globe. They are timeless and universal, applicable to anyone, anywhere. They are the principles of saving, of investing in yourself, of diversifying your income, and of surrounding yourself with success. These principles are not a secret, yet they are often overlooked. They are simple, yet they require dedication and commitment. They are within reach, yet they demand your time and effort. So if you're ready to embark on this journey, if you're eager to take control of your financial destiny, then this video is your roadmap. It's your guide to understanding the principles that could potentially transform your financial life, that could turn your millionaire dream into a reality. So let's dive into these principles that could potentially pave your way to financial freedom. The first principle is understanding the power of saving. Saving is like a magic bean that grows into a humongous beanstalk. Every dollar you save today can multiply tomorrow, next month, next year, or even decades later. This multiplying effect is known as compound interest, and it's one of the most powerful tools at your disposal for wealth creation. It means that the interest you earn on your savings also earns interest, which can lead to exponential growth over time. Let's take the example of Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest people on the planet. He started saving at a very young age, and over time his savings grew into a vast fortune. The secret? He understood the power of saving and compound interest. He knew that every dollar saved today could grow into many more in the future. Remember, saving is not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. So start saving today and watch your beanstalk grow. The second principle is invest in yourself. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean putting money into stocks and bonds. No, this is about investing time, energy, and yes, sometimes money, into your own personal growth and development. Think about it this way: the more you learn, the more you earn. It's a simple equation, but one that holds a lot of truth. Take Oprah Winfrey, for example. She didn't just wake up one day as a media mogul. She invested years into her education, worked various jobs in the media industry, and continuously improved her skills. This dedication is what led to her monumental success. Investing in yourself might mean furthering your education, taking courses, reading books, or honing a skill that could become a lucrative side hustle. It's about taking the time to better yourself, to gain more knowledge and skills, to become the best version of you. As Benjamin Franklin once said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. The third principle is diversify your income. Now, what does this mean? Well, it's pretty simple. You've probably heard the old saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket, right? This is precisely what diversification is all about. It's the idea of not relying on a single source of income, which can be risky. Instead, you strive to have multiple streams, so if one dries up, you're not left high and dry. Let's consider a real-life example, someone who's truly mastered this principle: Elon Musk. He's not just the CEO of Tesla. Oh no, Musk has his fingers in many pies. He has SpaceX, his ambitious space exploration venture. There's The Boring Company, aiming to revolutionize transport with underground tunnels. He's even involved in Neuralink, a project with the mind-boggling goal of melding human brains with artificial intelligence. Now, we're not saying you need to start a space company or dig tunnels. The idea here is to have more than one source of income. It could be as simple as having a part-time job in addition to your full-time gig, starting a small business on the side, investing in stocks, or even setting up a blog or YouTube channel that generates ad revenue. The principle of diversifying your income is not just about having more money, it's about providing a safety net, reducing risks, and creating opportunities for growth. It's about not being dependent on one employer or one kind of job. Diversification also means not just investing in different income streams, but different types of income streams. You might have active income from working a job, but also passive income from investments or royalties. The beauty of diversification is that it allows you to make money in your sleep. So start thinking about how you can diversify your income. It's never too early to start, and the sooner you do, the more financially secure you'll be in the future. Remember, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification is key. The fourth principle is surround yourself with success. Now let's take a moment to ponder on this. When we say surround yourself with success, what does it really mean? Well, it's not just about being around successful people. It's about creating an environment that inspires you, that pushes you to be better, to strive harder. Let's take a look at one of the most successful entrepreneurs of our time, Bill Gates. Gates didn't become a billionaire in a vacuum. He was constantly surrounded by individuals who were successful, who were driven, who shared his passion for technology and innovation. From Paul Allen, his co-founder at Microsoft, to the numerous mentors and partners he had along his journey, Gates ensured he was always in an environment that fostered growth and success. But it's not just about being around successful people. It's about being around the right successful people, the ones who are willing to share their knowledge, their experiences, their insights, the ones who challenge you, who make you question, who make you grow. Because success is not just about wealth or power. It's about constant growth, constant learning. It's about pushing your boundaries, expanding your horizons. And that's where the power of networking comes in. It's not just about making connections. It's about making the right connections. It's about finding people who share your vision, your passion, your drive. It's about finding people who can help you navigate the path to success, who can help you overcome the obstacles, who can help you reach your full potential. So, you see, surrounding yourself with success is not just about being in the company of successful people. It's about creating an environment that encourages growth, that fosters learning, that inspires you to reach for the stars. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. So, make sure you're spending your time wisely. Surround yourself with success, and watch as you soar to new heights. We've covered a lot today. Let's quickly recap. In our journey today, we've explored how the dream of becoming a millionaire isn't a far-off fantasy, but a potential reality. It begins with a vision, a dream that you can hold on to, fuel with your passion, and translate into reality. This dream isn't about the mere accumulation of wealth, but about the freedom, security, and opportunities that come with it. We then delved into the power of saving. It's not just about the amount you save, but about cultivating the habit of saving. It's about understanding that every penny saved is a penny earned, and that over time these pennies can add up to significant wealth. Next, we talked about the importance of investing in yourself. Your greatest asset isn't your bank account. It's you. By constantly learning and growing, by developing new skills and knowledge, you're investing in your capacity to generate wealth. We also explored the idea of diversifying your income. Relying on a single source of income is like putting all your eggs in one basket. By developing multiple income streams, you're not only increasing your earning potential, you're also insulating yourself from the uncertainties of life. And lastly, we discussed the power of the company you keep. Surrounding yourself with successful people can inspire you, challenge you, and open doors to opportunities you might never have considered. It's about being in an environment that feeds your ambition, fuels your drive, and fosters your growth. So there you have it, the principles that can guide teenagers, or indeed anyone, on the path to becoming a millionaire. It's not just about the money, it's about the mindset, the discipline, the determination, and the choices you make. Remember, the journey to becoming a millionaire starts with a single step. Take that step today.